Hi, I am Green Mask, and in the last video, I have showed you our first project. For the people who have not seen them, I have put the link in the description box. Now, let's launch the app and load the project. So, do you remember how to launch the app? Yeah, so first you need to go to the search bar and type Scratch. Then it comes over here. So now let's launch the app application. Now let's load our project. First, you need to go to File and go to Load from your computer. Then click on it. After that, make sure that you are going on the right path. Now click on this first SP3. Next, you can click Open. Now here it is. So let's recap how we did in the first time. So do you remember which step we need to go first to program? Yes, you need to first click on the cat because we was only programming the cat. So now let's take a small recap how we did the code. So for every Scratch application, which block we need to go first? Correct, it's the when click block in events. So first drag when clicked. Next you need to go to sounds and go to start sound meow. Then go and keep it below when clicked. Next you go to looks and go to say hello and put it below start sound meow. Now let's see how it goes. So now let's make the cat and bear talk. So we'll call it just add conversation. Let us name the cat and bear. I'm going to name it Mr. Cat and the bear Mr. Bear. So now you will take again to the looks and take say hello again. But we are not going to tell say hello again. You need to tell what is your name. Now let's see how it goes. Oh no! Where is the hello? Now it's the time to put wait 1 second. So go to control and go to wait 1 second. Then keep it below hello and between hello and say what's your name. Now let's see how it works. Yeah, now it's working. But the bear needs to say hello. It also has to say what is your name. And it has to answer. So you need to program the bear now. For that, first you need to go when clicked. Then you need to tell looks and say hello and click that. Now let's see how it works. Whoa, this is not supposed to happen. Why is the cat and bear telling together hello? Now also we need to use control and go to wait 1 second because first the cat needs to say hello and then the bear needs to say hello. Now let's see if it works. Good, it's working. So now let's see and now let's tell the bear to tell what is his name. So do you remember what name I kept for him? Yes, bear actually. So now let's see how it goes. Now the bear needs to tell what is your name? So we need to take again, say and tell. Type it. What is your name? Now let's see if it works. Oh, now where is say Mr. Bear? Again, we need to put 1 second now. So go to control again. Take 1 second and put it between Mr. Bear and what is your name. Now the cat needs to tell what is its name. So let's go to the cat and we need to tell, not wait 1 second. You need to tell wait 2 seconds. Because the bear needs to tell 2 things. My name is Mr. Bear and what is your name? So now we need to go again to looks and put. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, now they finished telling what is their names. Now we need to tell what are their places. So we need to still be in cats and the cat will wait 1 second and wait. No. So now let's go to the bear and now take and go to say where, and do you know where the bear lives? Correct, it lives in a den. So let's type den. Den. Now let's see if it works. Oh, what just happened? Correct. You need to again wait 1 second. Let's keep it in the middle. Now we need the bear to tell where is the cat living. So the bear needs to tell, say where do you live? Wait 1 second. So let's go to the cat and then go to looks and say correct. Now again you need to put wait 1 second. Let's keep it in the middle. But the cat doesn't know what is a den. And the bear doesn't know what is a house. So let's go to the cat. And now let's say, and then you need to change the seconds a bit more. Because then only they can conversate perfectly. Now let's do the same for the bear. Now let's see if it was properly. Oh, something has gone wrong. So now you need to adjust the conversation. I have already adjusted. Look. So now you need to adjust the timing. Last time it was a bit up and together they were telling, right? So now you just need to change the weight in a different sequence way. So this will take a bit time. So look how it has become natural. Now there is a mistake. You need to go to the cats and change the seconds to 3. And then after say where do you live, we need to wait 1 second and we need to say what is the house. Then the cat should say this is the house. So it needs to tell what is the den. So wait 1 second. Okay friends, I guess this is enough for today. You go and practice and use new sprites, new conversations, and keep on practicing. So now I will show my next videos in tomorrow. So let's now save the project. So do you remember how to save it? Correct. You need to go to File, Save to your computer, and see which path you want. Now you can save in whichever name you want. This is still the first project, so I'm going to save it first. It will ask first is SB3 already exists. Do you want to replace it? You need to click yes, because we have edited in that only. Now you need to leave the application. But again it will ask this kind of question. So we can go to leave because we already saved it. So this is the end of the video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye.